putting a nicotine pouch in. I was gonna do this video. Let me get some light in here. Took apart this old Lasko wind machine. I think it's seen better days. Let's put that light back there. See if I can get in here and show this real quick, how bad this is. It was still running too. Not just running, but running pretty strong. That's not what it's supposed to look like. Here's the shaft, the magnet or whatever. But here's here's a one out of a box fan that's probably about 5 years old. I was gonna oil it up and reuse it, kind of resurrect a old box fan or whatever. But I mean, it looks perfect compared to this. I know we'd probably clean that up, just some good old rubbing alcohol and shameless cloth. Let's see what it can do. Wouldn't use no acetone or anything like that because it might damage the stator. Yeah, it's taking it right off. Some kind of oil buildup. All the oil had done turned into basically grease. Motion activated light. Things usually worthless. Let's see if that made any difference at all. Okay. That's a lot better. Yeah, this fan probably didn't have much longer because when I took it apart, the motor was fire hot. I had to let it cool down for probably about 10 minutes. Just fire hot. Got some oil though. 3-in-1 oil. 3-in-1 oil. That's kind of oil you want to use. That or the blue top. I don't think it really matters. You just don't want to use engine oil or any kind of real high. You know, engine oil is too, viscosity is too high. It's too thick. It'll just burn up like this did. That's what the oil that they put in it from wherever it was, this Lasko wind machine. They put some kind of 3-in-1 oil in it, some kind of small engine lubricant oil. Probably something better than that 3-in-1. And it turned into basically gear oil. Then into sludge. That's what I was scared of. This shameless cloth is wanting to come apart, and this motherfucker. Yeah. Pretty clean though. Take all these fucking hairs out of it. Yeah, that's a lot better. Compared to this one. Yeah, it looks just like it. Motors really didn't change any. The only thing I can see on this old wind machine is that maybe they put a little more thicker coating on every other winding. On the new one, it just, they all got the same, that shitty, so I guess you could say in 2000, I guess this is a 2005, you could say in 2005 they only made their fan half shitty. They're still all pretty fucking shitty though. If you don't do this every 5 years, I don't think a box fan will last. Anyway, guess it's time to oil it. I done cleaned these little shafts or whatever. They're pretty clean. See, this is the one off the wind machine, the one to the left, and the one off the box fan. You can tell this one's been through it. That's from that being in that smoker's room. But that's what that was, that build up that and the burnt oil. I doubt there's any oil left in left in the little felt that they put in it. Had to cut the fucking had to cut into the 3-in-1 oil, basically. Just oil it around there. This one I know it's gonna need a lot. I'm just gonna go ahead and fill it up, and whatever excess drains off. That'll be it. I ain't even showing it. Goddamn. Yeah, it was super dry. There we go. Now this one. This one wasn't as dry. So this one was absolutely bone dry. This one, there was probably some residue left in it. It's good to put some oil in it. Now time to do the back of the motor. Thing I do like about the box fan ones, it's easier to, the wires and everything. That's probably because it's newer. So same thing, you can actually kind of see that felt with this one. You see it down in there, and that's what absorbs that oil. I don't know why this one's more open than the front one. That's weird. Again, this is the one off the box fan. Didn't take that much. Let's see what this one takes. I don't want to kind of leave it on the fan. Put the Seamus under it, catch any oil. That's like cocked sideways too. That's weird, ain't it? I don't know why it's like that. You can tell this one is dry. This fan probably didn't have much longer. The fact that it's still running off of just that little residue on the shaft and on the stator motor. I mean, look at that, dude. I mean, just pumping and pumping. Is that it? Yes. That's it. Wipe that down, get another cloth. This one ain't coming off the fan, obviously. Take a little alcohol, clean up around the motor and metal. Yeah, I ain't drinking doing this, obviously. I kind of want this stuff to work. I want it to go back together. Flip it around. They are definitely filled to the brim. I'll wipe it down. I hope this was a good video. If you got a Lasko fan and you want to oil it up, or oil it up and get it running back almost new, this is it. I've already done this with a another Lasko fan a couple of years ago. The wind machine, honestly, it was out of a smoker's room, so it was, until I really cleaned it good, it was kind of in storage anyway, so it didn't really run that much. Now you see, it's pretty much, it's It's like brand new. See in the front looks just like that, you know, good and clean. The motor was dirty too. It had that all that tar, smoker's tar built up in it. I had to fucking use alcohol and pour it. So that's what I'm saying. I didn't even think the wind machine was gonna work after doing all that, pouring vinegar and alcohol and dumping that through it. So I mean, these motors are very durable motors. I think a lot of times they get thrown away because people, they don't oil them or they neglect them, which these things aren't exactly user friendly to take apart. The box fan's a little easier than this one. They don't like them tower fans. They just have straight up security screws on them, or you can't even remove them. Well, I mean, you can remove them, but it's just they make it harder because them are more expensive fans. They don't want them to be worked on. Anyway, I think this was a good video. I hope this helped anybody out or whatever. You know, wanting to oil their fan up, wanting to oil the Lasko Wind machine. It's a good fan. Hope it runs a lot better. Might do a video of it running afterwards when I get it all back together. I'm about to put it back together, but I'm not going to do that on video. I'm going to need to put this light above me, and you know, it'll only take me about probably a few minutes to get it back together. Not even that. But I'm in the video. I hope this can help someone or whatever. I don't know. Anyway.